Hello everyone, welcome again in Eng-Man YouTube channel. So in this video, we will continue our learning on tNavigator software and we'll continue the case with restart or forecast. Okay, so in previous series of video, I stop here. Okay, after I create a forecast file, the one with here, the one with restart here, I haven't run the case. Okay, this forecast. And I will show you after I click on this run, the computation will be started. I will have my simulation, okay, and I can also review the progress, the change here in grid properties. But let's say I don't, I will stop the calculation before it actually stops at the last time step. Okay, the last time step should be December 2014. So let's say I will stop somewhere maybe in 2012 and I will drill a well. Okay, what should I do and what will happen if I do not complete the computation up until the last time step, but I will stop in the middle and, you know, put a new well and then rerun the forecast. What will happen? So that's what we will do. Let's just click on run. You see, as I said before, we will not, after we have restart within this forecasting, we will not go back to calculate the original time, the original or the starting point. Okay? It saves time. All right, and let's calculate and let's see, we go to here. Let's say the saturation of oil here. You see, actually the saturation of oil changes continuously, but from macro view, it seems like there is no change. All right, so let's stop here. I will not finish the, the calculation, but you can also finish the calculation and go back to this time step and drill a new well. You can. Okay, so let's just put our new well here, for example. Right click and add well, or you can also do that on 2D map, change to average, find the best area with the highest saturation of oil. Let's say here, okay. Yeah, just check where do you want to put. Okay, I will go with the average here. Okay, and then right click and add well. Okay, this is the name of the well and so on and so forth. Okay, this is the location, the ID, and the state, the status, open or close. Either you want to open all the entire, Z layer of the reservoir, X, Y, Z location, okay, direction following the Z direction, and PI1, this is diameter of the well, skin, and schedule. Okay, and then for the control, again, we can use the control mode bottom hole pressure. Okay, in this case, the default is 50, and the oil rate and other rates will be calculated. Okay, and economic limit if you want, at which point you want to shut your well. Okay, you want to close your well, you can change that. But of course, change this. Okay, well, con plus, you can change this, and then shut in the worst offending perforation, or well, shut in the well, or shut in the worst offending perforation, or none. Do nothing. I will not take everything, so let's do the base case. You can also change either production or rejection. Okay, let's say we add well. Okay, and then go to the next time step. You will have your new well there, and then let's just run. Okay, and in your folder you will have a new schedule. Later we will check that. You see, what's the name of this well? WU54. Okay, now we have that new player there.